The Lost Kitten. One sunny afternoon, Emma was walking home from school. She was excited because it was Friday, and the weekend was just beginning. As she walked through the park, she heard a soft meowing sound. Curious, Emma followed the sound and found a small, fluffy kitten hiding behind a bush. The kitten looked scared and hungry. Emma gently picked it up and noticed it had no collar. She decided to take the kitten home and take care of it. At home, Emma gave the kitten some milk and a warm blanket. She named the kitten Whiskers because of its long white whiskers. Emma's parents agreed to let her keep Whiskers until they could find its owner. The next day, Emma made posters with a picture of Whiskers and put them up around the neighborhood. She hoped someone would recognize the kitten and come to claim it. Meanwhile, Whiskers started to feel more comfortable and playful. A week passed and no one came to claim Whiskers. Emma's parents decided that Whiskers could stay with them. Emma was overjoyed. She loved playing with Whiskers and taking care of her new friend. From that day on, Emma and Whiskers were inseparable. They enjoyed many adventures together. And Emma was happy to have found a new furry friend.